Views don't pay you, direction does. If you're finally getting more views on Facebook but your income hasn't changed, give me the next few minutes and I'll show you the one shift that turns attention into actual income without selling, pitching, or complicated funnels. Plus, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly how to connect your content to simple conversations so views don't stop being vanity numbers and start becoming real opportunities, just drop income in the comments and I'll send it to you. My name is Alwi Batarilan and I help people turn Facebook views into real income, even if they've never sold anything online or don't know how to pitch without feeling pushy. Everything I share is implementation first, simple moves, real leverage. Here's the real problem. Most people think that views are the only win. They finally get more people to seeing their posts, likes and comments starts coming in, their content feels alive, but then nothing changes financially. And that's confusing because they did what everyone said to do. They posted consistently, they got engagement, they built some momentum, but the bank account still the same. So what do most people do next? They post more, they chase bigger views, they try to go viral. Some even think they need complicated funnel ads or complicated setup before they would ever turn a single conversation into income. And that's where attention gets wasted because views by themselves don't pay you. Views are just awareness. If you don't give that attention a clear direction, it disappears. Let me show you what I mean. I had a student who was getting about 500 plus views per post, good engagement, people were commenting, reacting, liking. She felt like she was finally doing it right. But after 3 weeks of consistent posting, she made $0. Not one sale, not one client, absolutely nothing. So we looked at her content, the posts were good, the hooks were working, the problem wasn't the content. The problem was what happened after someone engaged. There was no clear next step, no direction, just more content. So we made one simple change. We added a single line at the end of a post that invited people into a conversation. Just like what you see here as my own examples. Not a link, not a funnel, just a simple line that says something like, if this resonates, drop a comment and I'll send you something that helps. Within 1 week, she had 14 DMs. Within 2 weeks, she closed her first 2 clients. Same content, same views, different direction. So here's the shift. Step number 1, stop treating views like the finish line. Views only mean people notice you. That's it. They're not buyers yet. They're not even warm yet. They're just aware. Step 2, give attention one clear direction or one clear next step. Not multiple links, not confusions, one simple move. Something like drop a comment, send me a DM, reply with one word, and I essentially call it the keyword comment, or just one link from time to time so you're not always selling or pushing something. Make it so easy that there's no friction between interest and action, and as you can see, these are some of my actual life example. Most often I would say comment a specific keyword without any kind of links. Every now and then I will send out any link that I'd like to promote. In this case, I was promoting my free school community. Step 3, focus on conversations, not content. The feed creates interest. Conversation creates income. Your content's job is to start the conversation or bring them into your ecosystem. In my previous example, bringing them into my free school community. The conversation's job is to create clarity, context, as well as trust. That's where the sale essentially happens, okay? This works because people don't buy from posts. They buy after clarity and context if they consume enough content from you. And that happens as well in the one-to-one, not in the feed. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something just from reading a post? You didn't, right? Chances are you asked the questions, you probably got some clarity, you felt understood based on the content that was put out, or maybe you even joined a free community first. That's what conversations essentially would do. They turn attention into trust, and trust is what converts. So if you're getting views but no income, you're not failing. You're just missing the bridge between attention and action. And once you build that bridge, views stop being vanity numbers and start becoming real opportunities. Now remember, if you want the breakdown that shows you exactly how to connect your content to simple conversations so you can finally turn your Facebook views into income without complicated funnels or feeling pushy, drop income in the comments and I'll send it to you. Because once you stop chasing views and start directing attention, everything changes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.